Hi everyone, welcome to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to change your voice on TikTok. So open the TikTok application first and then get logged in into the account. Now that you have been logged in into the account, I will be showing you how you can change your voice on TikTok videos. So to begin, what you need to do is you need to record your voice as you normally would on TikTok. So tap on the create icon and record a video. So I'm just gonna record a simple one over here. So this is the current voice. Hello everyone, welcome to the Logging Aid channel. So I'm gonna change it to a different one. And here what you need to do is tap on the audio editing at the right side of your phone screen. Tap that and it will direct you to this options over here, and here you will be able to make changes to that voice on the video that you have just recorded. Here you can see the options of chipmunk, baritone, mic, megaphone, robot and all that. So from here I'm just gonna tap on the first one. Now if you play that video, the voice will be changed.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Logging Aid channel.
So there's the change in the video sound. Just like that, there are other options over here you can use. Now you need to save this change. Tap on save on the top right corner and the video will be saved in the changed voice. Now you can tap on next and make it ready to be uploaded on your TikTok account. So this is how you can change voice on TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.